Did you know that yawning isn't just a sign of being tired or bored? Scientists believe it's actually our body's natural way to cool down the brain. When you take a deep breath during a yawn, it helps to regulate your brain temperature, improving alertness and cognitive function. Fun fact, yawning is so contagious that even reading about it might make you yawn right now. Did it work? What's more, yawning isn't just a human trait. Animals such as dogs, cats, and even birds yawn too, often as a form of social bonding or a sign of empathy. So next time you catch a yawn, remember there's more behind it than just fatigue. It's a fascinating biological mystery shared by many creatures in the animal kingdom.